Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my 12 days of Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button because usually I do new DIYs and tutorials every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But again, this year I am doing 12 days in a row, Monday through Fridays, through the first part of December, bringing you great ideas and inspiration for the holiday season while still staying on a budget. We always set out milk and cookies for Santa every Christmas Eve, so I decided to put together a cute little set using Dollar Tree supplies. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let me show you supplies I have out for this really cute Christmas tradition. I am really impressed with the Dollar Tree craft section right now. They have some adorable wood things. So if you can't believe it or not, this actually came from the Dollar Tree. Super duper cute. So did this cute little milk bottle. And then the other things that I have out for this project are my white chalk paint, a foam paintbrush, I have scissors, and this is some red and white twine that I got from Hobby Lobby. But Dollar Tree does sometimes carry this. It's like in a set of different colors too, so you kind of have to look for it, and it's really little. But it is an option. I also have some jute. You could use that instead. And then I have a decal, and if you don't want to do a decal, you can do a black marker. So the first thing I need to do is to get my tray and my milk bottle painted with white chalk paint, and I will likely do 3 coats on the milk bottle and 2 on the tray. Alright, so here are my pieces all painted and dried. I really love chalk paint because it dries hard pretty quickly. It does take some time to cure, but at least it dries quick enough that we can add decals to it quickly. We don't have to let it sit overnight or anything, so it's not gonna like peel back up with our transfer tape. So now I have a milk and I have a cookies decal. I will have these in my Etsy shop, which is crossingmyheart.com, and I'll link that down in the description box below, and they'll come completely ready to go. You'll just be able to apply them to your project and be done. Now, if you have a vinyl machine, like a Silhouette like I do, you can recreate these. I use matte black Oracle vinyl, number 651. And this bigger one is about 3 inches wide by about 2.5 inches tall. This one's 2.5 inches tall, maybe closer to 2.5 inches wide on this one. But when you type it out, I use the font The Skinny, and it'll type it out just like this for you. But if you need to do any sizing or make them bigger or smaller, of course, adjust them to fit your project. Mine right here are going to be the perfect size for these 2 items, but they also work really well on their plates and mugs that the Dollar Tree has, and I'll link that video down below because I've used these decals before in the past. So if that ever comes out again for this holiday season. But again, they'll be in my Etsy shop, crossingmyheart.com, if you want to go purchase them and use them for your projects this holiday. I am going to go ahead and add the milk to the bottle and the cookies to the tray, and I'll kind of take you through step by step so you can see how to apply vinyl decals. Alright, so like I said, they'll come ready to go if you purchase them from my Etsy shop. And what they have is they have a top transfer sheet, which is sort of like a big piece of masking tape. They have the vinyl and then a piece of paper that sandwiches the vinyl in between it. So we basically have to transfer that vinyl onto this top transfer sheet and peel the paper backing away. So you want something hard and flat, like a credit card, a gift card. This is a squeegee that I have on hand. These are really inexpensive too if you're doing a lot of vinyl decals. And then you just peel your transfer tape away from the paper backing. Sometimes they don't like to transfer very easily, so go very slow. Make sure you get everything onto the transfer tape before you peel the backing all the way off. We don't need that paper anymore. And then you just apply it to your surface. So these work really well on glass, ceramic, metal, plastic, wood. They don't work on like fabrics and that kind of thing, but anything that's hard and you want to make sure it's clean too. Your surface is clean, that you don't have any chemicals or dirt or dust on it, to make sure you get a really clean transfer. So once you get your decal placed where you want it, you come back in with your squeegee. Now our bottle has a lot of bumps in it, and so you are going to see the bumps through the vinyl, but if you're applying it to a flat, hard surface, you're not going to see all of the texture through the vinyl like you do with this. But it's basically a plastic sticker, and it takes the shape of what you're working on. So once we have all of this pushed down, we're gonna peel the transfer tape away. And if you have any little spots that might come right back up, you just push it back down with your squeegee. You don't have to be gentle with this. You wanna make sure you are pressing down firmly. And then peel your transfer sheet away again, going very slowly to make sure nothing comes back up and you don't rip your decal. So I have that on there, and I'm going to go ahead and add the cookies to the wood tray. Alright, so now I want to give these more of a Christmas look, so I'm going to add some of this red and white baker's twine. I love it because it looks like a candy cane. I'm going to wrap some around the rim of the milk bottle, and then I'm going to wrap the handles of this tray. Thank you all so much for joining me for this tutorial. Don't forget to check the link that I'll have down below to my Etsy shop if you'd like to purchase the decals that I featured in today's tutorial. And let me know down in the comments, what are some of your Christmas traditions? Please click that subscribe button next to me. I have more great holiday DIY tutorials in the link below that, and you can find me on Facebook and on Instagram for more inspiration. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye everyone.